Okay, Abhishek, tell me, let's say that you have a business idea. So how would you pitch that idea in front of investor so that investor would get convinced to invest their money? Abhishek, are you there? Hello? Abhishek, are you there? Okay, Madhusudan, can you hear me?
Hello, sir. Just a minute. I was setuping. I was bringing battery. So means I am bringing charger. Sorry. Yes, sir.
Okay, Madhusudan, tell me, let's say that you have a business idea, okay?
Yes, sir.
And so in order to raise some money, you now have to pitch that idea in front of investor. You have heard about angel investor or venture capitalist?
No, sir.
Okay, investor, I'm telling you. Let's say you start a business, okay?
Yes, sir.
So after starting the business, in order to grow that business, you need to raise some money. You need money. Now the thing
Yes,
is
sir.
that you don't have so much money in your family or you don't have so much money in your pocket. So who will help you? The investor will help you. Angel
Uh,
investor. Angel investor are those who help a startup to grow. Okay. In
yes,
plain
sir.
and simple word, angel investor are those who help the startup to grow by lending some money or investing money. Now the thing
Yes,
is
sir.
that you have to convince that your startup would be profitable in the next 5 years because you see it is their hard earned money that they're trying to invest. So if they're not convinced that your startup would be profitable, why would they invest? Why would they invest if your startup goes into loss? So you have to
Okay.
convince them that your startup would be profitable so that they can get back their money. So
Yes,
how
sir.
can you convince them?
Yes, sir. For the convincing, suppose you know that I am preparing the wheelchair. First thing, what I would do is I would go the needy person who needs my model. I will reach to each and
Who
every
needs
person.
your
So needs my model. Suppose you know that I am preparing that wheelchair and all.
Hmm.
Yeah, for that, suppose I will go near some children and I'll collect feedback and all like this, like that I will do. And in that, I will check that if many people would prefer this model or wheelchair, then I will go to near investors and I will show the proof. With the proof, I will go and I will show them that many people are willing to take my model and if you invest in my model and you can have a loss sorry you can't have a loss you can make profit like this I would convince them.
Okay, so let's say that I am an investor. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I am an investor. So how would you pitch your idea to me? Okay, let's say that I am an investor and you have a startup. Okay. Now
Yes,
let's
sir.
say you have a startup which produces biscuit. Okay, a biscuit manufacturing company. You have a
Yes, sir.
startup. Okay, a biscuit manufacturing company, and I am an investor,
Yes,
and
sir.
you need to raise some fund. And in order to raise those capital, you need to convince me that your startup would be profitable because if your startup would be profitable then of course I would invest, and if it
Yes,
is
sir.
not profitable, if I am not convinced, then why would I give you my hard earned money? So in that case, how would you convince me?
Yes, sir. I would means like quiz like I will answer I like to answer this question. Why would you start a business? Because means many people need your model or many people need your idea. Just many people wanted that means they are in very important means no one, for example, no one know that corona would come, covid-19 would attack the whole world and make like this, and they didn't prepare any vaccine or like that. So when there was a necessary for vaccine, then they started that. Means in conclusion what we can say that if anything is needed, then only some business or something would be started. Means at that time I would show you that means your investor no, So I would show you now many people are not having very good quality of biscuits. So I am making this in a high quality and it would be good for health and no side effects and some certificates for proof and all I would provide him. And absolutely, he should obey to investor.
Hmm. Okay. Okay, good. Not bad.
Yes.
Okay, so my next question is, uh, so what are the factors or what are the material that you would use to pitch your idea? I mean, would you pitch your idea in a computer, in a screen board, or would you pitch your idea by drawing on a board using chalk or in a drawing on a board using a colored pen? So, I mean, what are the material that you would use to pitch your idea?
Yes, sir. Basically, first I will approach to the people. Means I would put up an online store. Then I will first introduce uh, 30 to 40 models, and then I will put it into a sale. Then I will sell them, and I will see for how much how many models has been sold, and if more number of models are sold in less number of time, then I would go. Then I will go and means I will conduct this survey in 3 rounds. First round for 30 to 40 models, then second round for 60 to 70, and third round for 100 models. Like this step by step process I will approach. Means first thing I required is uh, this digital requirements. Means digital requirements and the materials required for my model. Then I will start my business, or then I would start.
Okay, so Madhusudan, let me tell you that a lot of people have a business plan, and a lot of people, while starting their startup, they pitch their idea to investor. But
Yes,
the reality is that 90% of the ideas get rejected. That means 90% of entrepreneurs fails to convince the investor to lend them money.
yes,
So
sir.
why do you think that 90% of people fails to convince the investor? What is the reason behind it?
Sir, according to me, the main reason is lack of communication.
Lack of
Communication.
why?
Because there will the a person is there and he knows very well about that model and everything he knows, but he has stage fear, and if he goes near any judge, he can't talk. He will fail to explain about his model. Then what the investors think about that model, you only say, means they would think it is a very bad. I mean, so he's liking talking like this, so they fail to approach investors.
Okay, so Madhusudan, let's
Yes,
say let's say that you are an investor. Okay,
yes, sir.
let's say that you are an investor and a person comes to you. He has a startup idea
Yes, sir.
and he pitched that idea to you. Okay, he pitched his
Yes,
idea to you in order to convince you and ask you to lend some money.
yes, sir.
Now, understand this. After pitching the idea, after the guy pitched the idea, you realize that there is a particular problem in the market. There is a particular problem in the market that the startup could solve. And if the startup solves that problem, then it could benefit a lot of people. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it can benefit. It's a beautiful idea. Let's say it's a beautiful idea, and it would benefit a lot of people. It can
Yes,
bring a
sir.
revolution.
Yes, sir.
But the thing is that unfortunately, you figured out that the although it can solve problem of people, it can help the local people, but it won't be so much profitable in future. That means although the startup would solve the problem, but you won't get so much profit. you won't get, after all, you're investing to get your money. Nah, that's why you're
Yes.
investing. But you won't get so much profit. Okay. But the
Yes.
startup can be used in the social change. Because startup can be used for social change. It can create a change in the society. That's the potential of the startup. So in that case,
Yes.
would you invest your money?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Why?
I would. Means first, the basic thing that I will check is this model or is this uh, project helpful for the people? If it
Hmm.
is yes, then I will approach to next level. Means then I will apply on each and every people, and I will collect each and everyone feedback. Then in that feedback, you will filter what is good, what is bad, and what should be improved, what should not be improved. And you said no, sir, that in future this wouldn't make any profit like that. I will tell you an example that now we are using this Windows, no sir, Microsoft Windows.
Hmm.
At starting, no one thought that at future Windows wouldn't make profit. At present time, it can make profit. No one knew that at future it would grow like then big company. They have not thought that all over the world people would start using laptop computers, that too using their software. So no, we can't believe that this idea would profit or loss. Means the one solution for this question is you can always be updating your model. Means suppose I know from Windows XP, then Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10 now, and I think the day after, yes, day after tomorrow, Windows 11 is going to be released. Like this, if we go on updating our model, then there is no chance of uh, mm, means there is no chance of loss.
So which is better, Windows or Apple, according to you?
According to me, uh, means if you talk about the price, means Windows is better. If you talk about the performance, Mac is better.
Hmm. If you can you repeat again the factors?
Yes, sir. Means suppose you want a less operating system. Means you want a better operating system at low budget. Means you can prefer Windows. And if you want a high quality and high performance and all, then you can prefer this Mac. And if you don't want anything, if you want to use it in a free, you can prefer Linux.
Okay, Madhusudan, now say, let's say that you invested a money in a startup. Okay, you
Yes, sir.
invested a money in a startup. The startup owner has convinced you that the startup could be profitable in future. Okay, and you
Yes,
are convinced and you invested that money.
yes, sir.
So, but unfortunately, after 5 years, the startup ran into loss. The startup
Yes,
shut down because it ran into loss. Okay.
yes,
So,
sir.
in that case, what would you do? Because you see, you have invested your money because you are sure that the startup would become profitable. But
Yes, sir.
unfortunately, after 5 years, the startup went into loss. So, in that case, what would you do?
Yes, sir.
How would you get back
Ba-
your money?
yes, sir. Basically, if the money which we have kept in our home is vanishing, means if someone is taking, means what would we do? We start to go protect the money. Means we will hit the robber, or we will surrender him to the police, or like this we will do. In same like this,
That
same
is
the
what you're talking about. That is bank do. Banks do like that. Banks would
no, no,
take
no, no,
mortgage.
no. No, sir, no, sir. You listen means suppose example means you take money as business, and this robber has loss. the loss is coming and attacking your business. It is making your business to means go down. Then what would you do? If a robber would come to take money, means you will protect it. Like that, if the loss is coming to attack your company, means you are protecting it from loss. Means protecting it from loss means you are improving it or updating it. Anything, whatever you want, you can do like that.
Good, you're answering good, Madhusudan.
Uh, Thank you, sir.
Okay, Madhusudan, so if you ever become an investor in future,
Yes,
so
sir.
in what kind of startup would you like to invest your money? I mean, in which industry? You see, there are several industry in which people do their business. In what
Yes,
kind
sir.
of startup or in which kind of industries would you like to
Okay.
invest your money?
Yes, sir. Uh, if I become crorepati or millionaire, first thing I want to do is now you all hear about this ATL lab and all, no, sir. Like that, I want to make an institute through which uh, people or kids or young people can come and take money and they can do whatever they want.
No, 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 no,
Means,
no.
yes, sir.
You didn't understood my question. What I'm saying is that if you ever become an investor, okay, investor means the person who
Yes,
invests
yes.
money in startup. If
Yes,
you
sir.
ever become an investor in future, then
Yes,
in
sir.
what kind of startup would you invest in money? Because you see, if I am starting a startup, I can start a startup in the food and technology industry. I can start a startup in hotel industry. I can start a startup in restaurant industry, in the healthcare industry. There are millions of industry. So in which kind of startup or in which industry would you like to invest your money? That's my question.
Yes, sir. If you ask this question, means I like to invest in the microcontroller industry.
In what?
Microcontrollers.
Microcontroller. Can you explain it in brief?
Yes, sir. Means now we are using Arduino Nano, Uno, Mega, and Raspberry, like that, no, sir. Like that.
Anything else?
Uh, Sir, means many people some people say that most educated and most uh, top level child means suppose you are a first upper and I am a last upper. I means I was I would always fail in exams. And why do people say that the first upper would never succeed? Means he would get if he would get a government job also, he would be sitting under a fan. The last bench would having will be having last bench means the last upper would be having as knowledge as that he could grow his own business and he would be sitting under AC. Why people would think like this, sir? They can think opposite, no? Why?
Okay, so anyway, let's end the session here. Okay.
Okay,
Tomorrow we would
okay.
meet again. Bye. Good night.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Bye,
Good
sir.
night.
Good night. Yeah, yeah. Good night, sir.